So, what's up sa inyo mga Visioners Vlog? It's me, your homie, Vision Vlogs. And welcome back sa ating panibagong gameplay kung saan maglalaro ako ng Honor of Kings. Okay, rank muna tayo. Nilaro ko to last year. Yan yung rank ko ngayon, Gold 1. Ngayon ay road to ano na tayo, road to Platinum. Ayan o, malapit na ako dito sa Platinum. After ng Platinum, ayan, Diamond, tapos Master. Pakita ko din pala dito sa ibaba yung kung saan ako galing. Ayan, na-reach ko na yung bottom Silver. Yan, dito ako nun. Nag-stop muna ako ng silver Road to greatness tayo. Dito ako ngayon ako kasalukuyan nakatigil sa gold. At tama Fredman. Ay! Mali. I-claim ko muna pala. Good. Kamali ako. Okay. Okay, enter ko muna tayo. Simulan na natin. Ito ay magra-road to platinum tayo. Road to platinum. Yan, start na. Never ko pa kasi ginawan to ng content Hindi ko pa nasubukan nung. Ngayon ko lang siya gagawin. Actually, ito yung first time nagagawa ko ng content. Honor of Kings. Sadya yan guys. Yun ang lane natin. Clash lane. Ang pipiliin ko ay si Earthshaker.
I belong in the heavyweight class.
Ito yung main character ko. Main hero pala. Main character ng pambihira. Hindi ko naman flash lane tayo sa top lane. Excuse me. Wala na. Okay lang yun guys. Sadya po yung matagal na loading mga Visioners ko. Kaya na. Start na tayo. Wala lang yung Australia. Wala lang yung trip ko lang anahin. Pilipino talaga ako. Hindi ko lang sadya. Kasi maniwalang tag-ibang bansa ako. yung sa mga gusto mag-subscribe dyan, yan, press nyo na, tsaka like nyo na rin to. And don't forget to share. Ring nyo ng bell para sa mga susunod pang gameplay.
I waited 10 years for this 5 seconds till the enemy strikes. All forces! I waited 10 years for this moment.
Why don't I show you how old I still am?
Mid laner lang naman sumugod. Okay lang naman kahit hindi din ako mag-MVP dito. Ang importante na pakita ko ang best.
Make sure you get enough iron.
Oh, no.
Blood. And sorry, you make an entrance. My bad, an enemy has fallen.
Kamali lang ako ng ko. Dapat wala second skill yung kinamit ko.
Fabulous. Truly exceptional.
Meron kasi ganito guys. Unang beses lang pag unang sabak sa game, pag anong to agad, mamamatay ka agad. Normal kasi to eh. Doon naman.
Storm in, you say?
Minsan na hindi,
That's music to my ears!
hindi ka nagiging aware minsan sa mga nangyayari. Hindi ka aware or like parang hindi ka na
Scars are the mark of a true warrior!
level pa rin.
Let's clear the minion waves.
Oh!
Plans for some big hit?
Copy
Count
that.
me in.
All forces unite. An enemy has fallen. An ally has fallen. All forces unite.
Make sure you get enough fire!
Wala eh, ayaw ko
Old? I don't even know what that means.
Try ko lang ulit, sabak tayo.
What's that?
An enemy has fallen.
Alog eh, yun.
An ally has fallen. All forces unite.
Old, I still am!
Ayaw tayong bigyan ng assistance ng kakampi natin. Hindi, meron
An
kasi
enemy
talagang
has fallen.
yung mga teammates. Minsan hindi ka bibigyan ng assistance. Minsan na yung bibigay sila.
Just storm in, you say? Ha! That's music to my ears!
Pwede din ako lumipat ang lane. If ever na ano ko. Anong gusto nila? Mag-clash lane ako during yung nakafocus lang ako sa ano sa lane.
Plans for some
Pwede rin eh, kaso nga lang eh, siyempre. Hindi naman pwede yung gayon na lang ito po. Flash lane. Nakatakas siya.
The Overlord and Tyrant have been unleashed. Tower shields breached.
May teleport dun sa part na yun. Okay.
Let's cut the talk and start the cutting!
Ultimate not ready yet.
Wala pa. Hindi pa ready yung aking ulti. Yung ultimate.
Enemy killing
Hindi
spree.
pa ready.
An enemy has
Ay,
fallen.
sayang. Akin na dapat yung kill na yun eh.
Scars are the mark of a true warrior!
All forces unite.
Ang kalaban. Yun. Nakita ko na sa map.
Why don't I show you how old I still am?
Hindi ako makalapit. Nahirapan akong makabuelo. Top lane.
Your turret is down. Defend.
Bottom lane. Uy! Ay, nagulat ng flash lane tapos
Push successful. Enemy turret down.
Storm in, you say? Ha!
Attack.
Music to my ears!
ay, sayang!
Ultimate not ready yet.
Hindi ako naging ano. Umalis kasi.
I don't even know what that means.
Kaya hindi nga din ako makano eh. Attack.
An enemy has fallen. Attack successful. Enemy turret down.
Yun.
Copy that.
Why don't I show you how old I still am?
An enemy has fallen.
Takas ako dun.
Scraped by with a sliver of health.
Buhay.
Let's cut the talk and start the cutting.
Sige, heal muna ng konti. Ayan. Titigil lang ako ng konti. Ayan. Okay na. So good. Mahaba-haba kasi yung laban na to eh.
If you think you can take me, why don't you come here and
Enemy rampage. An enemy has fallen.
Napasugod kasi.
Sorry.
Hindi ko
My
alam
bad.
na natrap ako. Natrap ako ng kalaban. Naging patibong. Nice one.
Everyone, attack the Overlord.
Sinabihan ko na atake ng overload.
I correct every
Okay lang
failure
naman
10
kahit hindi
times
din ako
over.
maging MVP. Ang importante, napakita ko sa kanila kung gano'n din ako. Ito importante sa kanila.
Enemy has fallen.
MVP or not,
Enemy
ang mahalaga, may panalo
unstoppable.
yung game.
Killing spree.
Means.
Hoy guys, pengi ako nung ano niya. Naman. Ay. Nakatakas siya.
Merciless.
Natakasan niya yung ulti ko. Uy. Ito. Natakasan niya yung ulti ko. Pambihira naman
A
pala.
strong heart makes you
Ultimate
An
not
enemy has fallen.
Last.
scraped by with a sliver of health.
Godlike.
Hindi na ako nakapag ano eh. Yung recall.
Why don't I show you how old I still am?
Ay. Hindi na nakapag-recall yun. Hindi din ako nakakalang...
Your turret is down. Defend.
Scars are the mark of a true warrior.
An ally has fallen. Your turret is down. Defend. Forces unite. An enemy has fallen.
Hindi ako makalapit. Ang bilis niya kasi.
Killing spree.
Makes you
Ay. Saan niya pa napunta? Hindi pa sa akin yung...
I correct every failure 10 times over.
Ang KDA ko, 023. Hindi naman masyadong nagiging bad na ang performance ko dito. I'm trying my best, okay?
Overlord and Tyrant powered up. Cannons unleashed.
Watch them!
By your hand.
Oh, ayun oh. Nakakuha din ng ano. Tiwala lang kasi.
Plans for some big hit. Count me in.
Kung sayang, nakatakas. Uy, mali! Sa Tyrant ako nag-focus ng mata.
You can take
All forces unite.
try.
Attack the enemy.
Attack.
Kailangan ko kasi yung backup eh. Guys, Hamir. Sumablay pa, hindi pa nabawasan. Man.
Just storming, you say? Ha! That's
Nangingimoy.
music to my ears!
Ay, nag-transform siya ng deer.
Enemy has fallen.
Hindi siya lumalapit, naduwag siya eh.
Stars are the mark of a true warrior!
Let's go! Haba-habang ang labanan na ito. Hindi ako makalapit. Ganong may... Oh, may tore, madadali tayo.
Attack! Copy that.
You think you can take it? Why don't you come here and try?
Sige. May lalaban. Pultuhan.
By your hands they fall.
Okay na yan. Ay,
An enemy has fallen. All forces unite.
tinatry ko lang. Kampi ko yung naka-damage nito, hindi ako.
Down in one!
Push successful. Enemy turret down.
Ang kakampi ko sa dyan naka-damage nito.
Watch out for the Shadow
Every
Vanguard.
failure 10 times over!
Your turret is down. Defend. Push successful. Enemy turret down.
Mataas na yung ano ko.
Rampage.
Yung recording na
Double kill.
okay.
Some big hit?
Your turret is down. Defend. Push successful. Enemy turret down.
Sure you get enough?
Killing spree. Push successful. Enemy turret down. Kill.
Muntik na ako.
Fabulous. Truly exceptional.
Low on health. Ayun.
Old? I don't even know what that means.
Push successful. Enemy turret down.
Daan.
Godlike.
Yung
Double kill.
Awesome!
Unstoppable. Push successful.
tinapos na.
Enemy turret down.
That's music to my ears!
Total annihilation.
Okay lang.
Victory. The battlefield is yours.
Alright. Okay na yan. At least natin, nagawan ko ng best. Nagawan ko ang best ko. At hindi ako MVP.
On in the heavyweight!
Best ng scene. Stunning match performance tayo eh. Crucial control in. Kahit gayan lang yung record natin. Sige. Isa na lang.
No excuse for this.
Good one. Baka naman pag ganun mo na ako. One more. Mobile spin. Reach another new achievement. Road to Platinum tayo ngayon.
You're the jungler.
Naku, jungler pa ako. Hindi pa ako marunong nun. Saan kayo magamit na sa jungler? Sino itong...
It's so vexing to have no worthy opponents left.
Ah, yun na yung Demon Plate. Sino naman to?
Winning all the time can get boring.
Correct ito. Miskin nga pala ko.
I don't need crystals, as long as I have my Slayer's blade.
Wow. Fight! Sana naman tumuli tayo. Sana manalo ulit. Para maging platinum na tayo. Yun, mga naka-skin. Dalawang naka-epic skin, no. Wala, nakuha ko lang yan nung may enchantment kasi ako ng skin. May fragment pala. Yun ang ibig sabihin pala. Sorry. And ito na ang ating ikalawang laban. Rival warrior. Lonesome hunter. Okay, it means
Welcome to Honor and Kings. Time to dominate the battlefield. Strikes all forces. Paso. I waited 10 years for this moment.
di ko alam kasi kung ano lang ito.
No tail,
Taba,
no
or-
beastly ears. Not much of
Since
a pet,
jungler
are
tayo.
you?
Since jungler na ako. Nagustuhan mo?
The ultimate predators have the ability to hunt more than just
My
dragons.
ultimate is ready.
What ultimate?
All forces unite.
Ears. Not much of a pet, are you?
First blood.
And that's how you make an
Sweet.
entrance.
Appreciate it.
Nice one, natulungan ko siya. Yung iba kasi dito hindi ko pa pala, hindi pa naman.
An enemy has fallen.
Okay guys, mga kabit
Will you
squad nga
slay
pala.
a shadow overlord with
Baka
me?
hindi ko na ulit magawa ng ang episode 2 ng sa larong arena, yung T3 arena,
Perfect timing can be
yung game na
precisely
yun, yung laro
calculated.
ko nun.
Enjoyment cannot.
My skills are ready.
Great caught. Will you slay a shadow overlord with me?
And your dreaded you have fallen. Wait to respawn. Else.
Sorry, my bad.
Has fallen. An enemy has
Got
fallen.
executed.
An enemy has fallen. Attack.
Copy that.
Stealing an overlord
no.
kill. That's child's play.
Sa mga gusto din maglaro nito, please download nyo na yung game sa mga.
An enemy
Available
has
siya sa
fallen.
Play Store
No tail,
and
no beastly ears. Not much of a
App Store
pet,
ng
are you?
iPhone. Stupid kahit saan kayo naglalaro. Sa phone, sa tablet, sa iPad.
Your wish come true.
Baka naman i-download yung kung saan.
The
Joke lang.
ultimate predators have the ability to hunt more than just
The
dragons.
Overlord and Tyrant have been unleashed. Tower shields breached. Unleash the catapults.
Oh my god, mananakaut ako.
No tail,
Teleport
no
din
beastly
pabalik.
ears. Not
Push
much.
successful. Enemy turret attack.
Copy that.
Same as nung naglaro ako ng nung kanina nung ginamit
An
ko.
ally has fallen.
Kill. That's
All forces unite.
Copy that.
Kailangan ko ng kakampi dito. Baka naman.
The turret is down. Defend. All forces unite.
Copy that. Attack the enemy.
the ultimate
Steady
predators
will.
have the ability to hunt more than just dragons.
Killing spree.
Ultimate not ready yet.
Double kill.
Oh my gosh! No!
All forces unite.
That's child's play.
Assemble!
Unstoppable.
Hindi ako makatak din eh. Hindi ako makakuha ng... Iwas tayo kalaban, dali.
An ally has
Ano
fallen.
yung bot eh?
Godlike. All forces unite.
Nagkamali na
Enemy
naman
has
talaga.
fallen.
You just stupid. But, never give up. Should you fight? Never give up. Yun lang kasi yung nag-shadow blade eh.
Perfect timing can be precisely calculated. Enjoyment cannot.
Favorite lane ko dito ay top and mid lane.
Attack. Legendary.
Parang nakuha sa atin yung stealth na
In the water.
Enemy has fallen.
Copy that.
Stealing an
Copy
overlord
that.
kill. That's child's play.
Attack.
Ay, nako.
Push
Paano
successful.
kaya
Enemy turret down.
Ganun ulit na kill. Yung KDA
No
record natin.
tail, no beastly ears. Not much of a pet.
Sige, mag-ano nga muna ako. Mag-jump din lang muna ako. Mag-ano muna ako ng trips yan. Pa-farm tayo. Kaya na, hindi ako... Ay, sorry. Ang bihira kasi.
An enemy has fallen.
Bihira naman kasi hindi ako makaano. Bihira.
The ultimate predators have the ability to hunt more than just dragons.
Mura tuloy ako eh. Mayayari ako ng YouTube nito eh. Sorry. My apologies.
Denied.
Hindi ko sinasabi ng mga
No tail, no beastly ears.
Oh my
Not much
gosh.
of a pet, are you?
Push successful. Enemy turret down. Attack.
Wala, hindi talaga ako makano ng...
Still not ready. By your hands they fall.
Ayun.
Kill.
Just as I planned.
Double kill, pambihira. Ang galing ko.
Will you slay his shadow overlord with
Awesome.
me?
Appreciate it.
Push successful. Enemy turret down.
Baka makakuha pa ako mas mataas na ganyan. Ito na yan. Yan yung record ko na nito.
An ally has fallen.
Precisely
Tatakbang
calculated.
ko yung speaker.
Enjoyment cannot.
An enemy has fallen.
It's a good sign. The unhappy bond.
An enemy has fallen.
Those who are dedicated to this story will come together regardless of distance.
Attack.
We're all wholehearted.
An ally has fallen.
Cover me.
Overlord and Tyrant powered up. Attack unleashed.
Naka-enhance na yung ano, Tyrant. Saka yung Overlord. Excuse me. It means full powered din sila.
Perfect timing can be precisely calculated. Enjoyment cannot.
An ally has fallen.
Will you slay his shadow overlord with me?
Enemy killing spree.
Death.
Sorry. My bad.
You have fallen. Wait to killing spree.
Don't
Wala yung
worry
kakampi
about
na...
it.
Nano kami?
Denied.
Copy that.
Oh. Guys, keep up! Keep up!
Attack.
2-3-2 yung record sa KDA.
Push successful. Enemy turret down. Your turret is down.
Ray?
Defend.
It's almost 1 minute.
Tail, no beastly
Kaya ko
ears.
sige.
Not much of a pet, are you?
Kailangan ko ng galingan.
Perfect timing can be precisely calculated. Enjoyment cannot.
Oh my God! No!
All forces killing
Trap
spree.
pala, natrap ako, guys! Natrap ako! Akala ko mag-isa lang siya. Ang bira din mga kakampi ko. Ayaw ko tulungan.
Your turret is down. Defend.
Ano
An
man?
ally has fallen.
Dali. Tulong kayo, tulong kayo, tulong kayo. Dali.
An enemy has fallen.
Oh!
Your turret is down. Defend.
Mano tayo, malalas tayo, hoy, guys!
Stealing an overlord. That's child's play.
Wala na. Our shine!
Enemy rampage. By your hands they fall. Enemy
Totally ako
double kill.
magpalaban na yun. Sino yun? Si Steady Wheel? Ang bihira tong si Steady Wheel, ha? Bihira si Steady Wheel. Ang lakas.
Hold the line. Your turret is down. Defend. Your turret is down. Defend. Protect the high ground. Your turret is down. Defend.
The ultimate predators have the
Enemy godlike.
Naku, godlike na
Enemy
nga.
has fallen.
May kakambak ata ng kakampi ko ito yung love ng kakampi ko. Yung kalabong ko yung match. Nalilito na ako.
Protect
Gawa
the
na-
high ground.
No! The base! The base! The base!
Denied.
Will you slay your
Hold the
shadow?
line.
Copy that.
Baka yung base! Yung base! Guys!
Copy that.
Killing spree. Your turret is down. Denied.
Copy that.
Solo destroyer yung kalaban na nandito. Sino yun?
The ultimate predators have the ability to hunt more than just dragons.
Ang lakas naman ng damage nito sa akin ah.
Rampage. Push successful. Enemy turret down. Attack.
Copy that.
Attack.
Stealing an overlord kill. That's child's play.
Unstoppable.
Wala, nagsasacrifice lang sa Joe dito. Hindi pa kasi ako sanay sa ano eh. Sa karakter natin nag-amit. Aray ko! Steady well! Steady well!
Will you slay your shadow?
Dadali na naman tayo noon.
Rampage. You have fallen. Wait to respawn.
Ay.
Team broken.
Sinong nakaano sa akin? Ang bihira talaga ng si Steady.
An enemy
Ang
has
lakas.
fallen.
Double kill.
Amazing.
Attack.
Tapusin na guys. Kahit ganito lang yung record ko. At least nagawan ko ng best ko. Nagawan ko na yung best ko. Bihira. Ginawa ko na lahat ng mga kakaya ko para manuhan sila. Para hindi din sila makalapit sa base.
The ultimate predators have the
try.
ability to hunt more than just dragons.
Guys, come on, come on, come
All
on,
forces unite.
come on, come on.
No tail, no beastly ears.
Sa
Not much of
susunod
a
na
pet,
gameplay,
are you?
baka meron ulit ako.
Killing spree.
So, sure. Abang-abangan nyo na.
Advanced control charge.
An enemy has fallen. Denied. Double kill.
Assist lang yung nagawa ko.
Perfect timing can be
Unbelievable.
precisely calculated.
Amazing.
Enjoyment cannot.
Attack.
Copy that.
Push successful. Enemy turret down.
Kaya na kahit hindi pa kami.
Killing spree.
Copy that.
Push successful. Enemy turret down.
Panalo na naman.
Total annihilation. Victory. The battlefield
more.
is yours.
Panalo na naman. I tried my best talaga kahit ganun. Kahit hindi ako MVP, nagawan ko ang aking best. Nagawa ko ang aking best. Shadow Blade, pambihira ka. Ang pangit ang record ko. Bilang. Hindi yung bilang talaga. B, sadya ang ano mo. Okay, one more. Para mag-platinum na tayo. One more. One more. Hoy, may reward. Last one. Kailangan ko na ipanalo to. Kailangan na talaga. Kailangan na. Please, lane. Clear match up na tayo. Clear up match na tayo.
You're in the clash lane.
Clash lane ulit. Back to clash lane. Ang galing. Si Belligerence. Siya yung bilang magpilas. Solid. Earthshaker, my
Feel the
favorite
wrath
boy.
of my iron fists!
Can I have the clash lane? One more match. Okay, one more match na tayo, guys. Mga ka-Visionaire Squad. Visionaire Squad, this is it. Our last gameplay. If na if na manalo ulit ako dito, yun na. Nasa top na tayo ng platinum. Platinum, ito na. Road to platinum.
It's a drop in the bucket. Here dies feeling like I waited 10 years for this moment. Muscle, fight and conquer.
Yung skill na mo ng ganun.
All forces unite. Copy that.
Why don't I show you how old I still am?
Attack. Attack.
Okay.
Copy that. Attack. Copy that.
Mahaba-habang match na naman tayo. Nakahanap naman ng katapat yung ano ko.
Attack. Copy that.
Some big hit?
Attack. Copy that.
Lola yung kalaban nito. Tulad nga nung
Strong heart makes you immortal!
hindi kaya ng phone ko talaga. No enemy in the top lane. Ngayon lang nagpakita.
You think you can take me? Why don't you come here and try?
Ow!
All forces unite. All forces unite. Copy that. All forces unite.
Scars are the
Copy that.
mark of a true warrior!
Hindi ko malakita. Wala. No.
Down in one!
That's an American entrance.
Nastan ako. Wala pa rin akong ng DDA natin. 0 pa, 0.
Cut the top and start the cut.
Oh my god. Muntik na. Please, don't.
An ally has fallen. An enemy has fallen.
Practice yung nagawa ko.
The overlord and tyrant have been unleashed. Tower shields breached. Unleash the catapults. An enemy has fallen. Double kill. All forces unite. An enemy has fallen. Double kill.
Amazing! Lang yung nagawa ko. Wala na nakuha.
You have fallen. Wait.
Yun lang ang nakuha ko. Wala din yung akong kill. Assist lang. Yain na. Ano din kasi. Struggle kasi.
Denied.
Struggle lang makaano talaga. Okay. Kagaya lang kanina.
Skill not ready.
Ay.
Plans for some big hit.
Not
Count me
yet.
in.
My ultimate is ready.
Ka-Visioner Squad, okay. If na gusto nyo ulit pa ng isa pang ganito, sabihin nyo lang, magkano kayo sa comment down below if gusto nyo ulit ng part 2 ng Honor of Kings at gagawan
Enemy
ulit.
has fallen.
Every failure 10 times over.
Okay, maaga pa naman para i-end tong match. Where's the enemy?
If you think you can take me, why don't you come here and try?
Doon makalapit. Doon ang may ano.
An ally has fallen.
Down in one.
You have fallen.
Bakit yung kakampi? Ang bihira siya, hindi naman tumulong, tumakas.
Rampage.
Ba't ka naduwag? Bihira naman, no? Okay lang. Lakas ka naman. Good assistance pa rin tayo,
Old? I don't even know what that means.
Hindi pa nakakakuha ng ano. Wala pa siyang ano ng KDA record niya. Samantalang ako may 2 and 5 pa lang. Yun yung times na knockout tayo ng kalaban.
Push successful. Enemy turret down. Denied.
Hindi ako maka-attack. Bihira ka. Gusto mo gawin mamatay. Mamatay sa tore. Ano tayo sa tore niyan eh. Mamatay tayo yun eh.
All forces unite.
Tulong. Wala akong ulti. Napakaduwag. Bihira kayo.
An ally has fallen.
Pag naglaro kasi dyan ng ganito
An
mobile game,
ally has fallen.
ano na mangyayari sa inyo? Ano mangyayari? Kayo. Tantrums. Talagang magagalit ka talaga. Kasi sigaw ka tsaka
I correct
mura ka.
every failure 10 times over.
Sabi kasi dyan ng mura talaga.
Attack! Attack! Your turret is down. Defend! Attack! Copy that. All forces unite. Copy that.
Sundan ko yung mga kakampi ko. Kasi kanina,
You think you can take me? Why don't you come here and try?
kasi kanina siyempre first month. Wait lang guys ah. Okay guys, I'm back. Nandito na ulit ako. Ganyan. Okay. Oy, 50 minutes na yung gameplay natin ah. Sumablay pa talaga yung ulti ko.
An enemy has fallen.
Takasan kasi. Oh!
Double kill.
Stun!
Amazing! Attack!
Plans for some big hit. Count me in.
Ultimate not ready yet.
Hindi ko malapitan.
An enemy has fallen.
Oy, kinuha sa akin ng kakampi ng ano.
Push successful. Enemy turret down.
Sayang.
Ha! That's music to my ears.
Guys, come on, give me some. Yan, ganito ang pagiging ano, teammate.
Who's right?
An ally has fallen. Attack!
Oh,
Tyrant powered up. Cannons unleashed. Copy that.
Ay.
Copy that.
make sure. Down is one.
Ano naman tumulong kasi nung isa, si Diri.
Wait to respawn.
Ano sa akin si Sonic, tapos ano.
An enemy has fallen.
Ay, nako. Ano ba? Bigyan niyo naman ako kahit isa. Wala guys, ayaw sa akong bigyan. Cooperation sa dito kasi eh. Puro assist na lang ako dito tsaka kami ni Diri. Ano si Diri oh, 7 assist.
Why don't I show you
Knockdown ko na
how
to.
old I still am?
Knockdown ko na to ah. Tapos ako na wala pang nakuhang kill.
An enemy has fallen. Attack!
Hoy guys, hintayin nyo ako. Nandito na ako.
An enemy has fallen. Attack! An enemy has fallen. Push successful. Enemy turret down.
Hoy guys, nandito ako. Dito na ako. Nuga. Ayaw naman tulungan eh. Ako na nga sila nagbibigay na kasi sa inyo. Tapos ano pa? Ay, pambihira naman oh. Pinapalabas yung bad player
Push
dito.
successful. Enemy turret down.
Pinapalabas pa nila ako yung bad player.
Killing spree. Push successful. Enemy turret down. An enemy has fallen. Double kill.
Hoy! Wala akong kill! Itinapos na, wala akong kill!
Fabulous. Truly exceptional. Unstoppable.
Wala akong kill! Yun ang ibibigay niyo sa akin? Wala talaga.
Total
Wala talaga akong
annihilation.
kill. Hindi ra, okay lang yun guys. Wala akong kill. Best assist naman tayo.
Victory. The
pambihira.
battlefield is yours.
Isa pa. Platinum nga, wala naman tayong ano.
I'm in the heavyweight class.
Yun lang ang nakuha ko. Wala na akong ano. Assist lang talaga. Oh, yan. Yan oh. Wala talagang kill oh. Yun yung ilang beses ako na knockout. Platinum. Report ko yung kakampi ko.
It's a senior member's job to take care of the club's problems.
Yo, binibigyan ng ano kasi. Itong si ano, i-report ko. Di siya nakikiko-cooperate eh. Ayun yung makitulong. Guys, 55 na pala tong gameplay natin. For 77 days. So that's it lang guys. Kahit wala ako na wala akong nakuhang kills sa laban. Tsaka puro 4 na knockdown tapos 12 assists lang nakuha natin. Okay lang din naman, may reason kasi kung ba't ganun talaga. Nakatanda na kasi akong ka-focus sa ano natin. So that's it lang mga ka-Visionary Squad, and this is your homie Vision Vlogs, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Ring nyo ng bell para sa susunod na gameplay, and paalam. Dito ako natatapusin tong ano natin. Paalam, and advance Merry Christmas sa inyo. Paalam everyone. Peace! Peace out!